Hello students, welcome to the social science class. Today let us study the 8th unit of geography, India, mineral and power resources. We study this lesson in two parts. In the first class, we are going to study about mineral resources. Today we are going to discuss about meaning and importance of minerals, important minerals of India, their occurrence, distribution and production. Children, note down the points. In this lesson, while you are learning this lesson, you have to develop the skill of defining the term mineral, mining and to explain the importance of minerals and to mention the uses of different minerals and to mention the mineral producing areas and to locate all these places in India map. Children, what is a mineral? Can you define it? Mineral is a natural inorganic substance that possesses a definite chemical composition and physical properties. Children, while remembering a definition, you have to remember specific terms. While defining minerals, you have to remember the terms like inorganic substance, chemical composition and physical properties. Mineral is a natural inorganic substance that possesses a definite chemical composition and physical properties. Children, can you mention some minerals? Write down in your notebook different minerals. What is this? This is iron ore. And this one, gold ore. This one, copper. This is copper ore. And this one is mica. And this is bauxite. And this one, nickel. See children, these are all important minerals. Where we get these minerals? These minerals are available inside of the earth. What we call the process of extracting the minerals? It is called as mining. Mining is the process of extracting minerals from the earth. Mining is the process of extracting minerals from the earth. Children, do you know this? Ore is the deposits from which the mineral is obtained, and the scientific study of minerals is called as mineralogy. Remember these two terms. Children, let us discuss about the importance of minerals. Minerals play very important role in our day-to-day life as well as in the progress of a country. What is this, children? This is industry. For the development of industry, minerals are very important. For the construction of industries and for the machineries in the industries, and minerals are raw materials for the mineral based industries. What is this, children? They are constructing buildings. See, minerals are very essential for the construction of buildings. To build a strong building, minerals are very important. Look at this picture. What is this? This is transport and this one communication. See, the progress of transport and communication minerals are very important for the manufacturing of vehicles or communication devices or construction of roads. Minerals are very important. Look at this. Trading is going on and here is a conference. See, for the progress of trade and commerce, minerals are very important. Look at this picture. So many ornaments are there, gold ornaments, and this is diamond. See, availability of minerals having great economic value. There are many minerals having great economic value like gold and diamond. Children, let us sum up this. Minerals contribute to the prosperity of a country. They are very useful for industrial development, construction purpose, progress of transport and communication, trade and commerce. Some minerals have great economic value like gold and diamonds. Children, which are the important minerals of India? Today, let us study about the important minerals: iron ore, manganese ore, bauxite and mica. Let us study about these minerals, uses of these minerals and the distribution of these minerals. You have to learn to mention the places of distribution of these minerals as well as to locate these places in India map. Children, let us study about iron ore. Iron ore is a ferrous metallic mineral. It is ferrous metallic mineral. It is the most important mineral of India and it is very important raw material for the iron and steel industry. Iron ore is very important raw material in the iron and steel industry. Let us know the iron producers, important iron producers in India. Odisha, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. These are the important producers of iron ore in India. Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore in India. Observe the map because you have to locate all the places of iron ore producer in Odisha. See, in Odisha, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Cuttack and Koraput. These are the major iron ore producing district in Odisha. Chhattisgarh is also an important state to produce iron ore. In Chhattisgarh, Bastar and Durg district produce iron ore. Jharkhand is also the important state to produce iron ore. In Jharkhand, Singhbhum, Palamau, Dhanbad and Hazaribagh districts produce iron ore. Observe the map and remember all the places. Karnataka is also an important state to produce iron ore. In Karnataka, Sandur and Hosapete in Bellary district and in Chikkamangaluru district, Kemmannugundi and Kuduremukha. In Karnataka, Sandur, Hosapete, Kemmannugundi and Kuduremukha are the important iron ore producing area. Let us know about which are the other states which produce iron ore? Goa, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. These are the other states to produce iron ore in India. India is the fourth largest producer of iron ore in the world. India is the fourth largest producer in the world and nearly 35% of its production is consumed by our iron and steel industry. In India, there are 14 major iron and steel industries. We use 35% of iron ore production in iron and steel industries in India, and the rest of it is exported to other countries and it helps to earn foreign exchange. Children, let us know about manganese ore. Manganese ore is a ferroalloy metal. Manganese ore is the most important ferroalloy metal. What is ferroalloy metal? Alloy means mixing with other metal. See, manganese ore is ferroalloy metal. It is mixing with iron ore. Iron ore is a ferrous metal and manganese is mixed with iron ore and it is used in the manufacturing of steel in iron and steel industries. To produce steel with iron ore, manganese is mixing. It is also used in the manufacturing of dry batteries, paints, glass, pottery and calico printing. You know what is calico printing? Calico printing is printing on clothes. Do you know this? Manganese is known as the jack of all traders because of its many uses. Manganese is known as the jack of all traders among the minerals because of its many uses. Let us know about the important producers of manganese in India. Odisha, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. These are the main producers of manganese in India. Odisha is the largest processor and producer of manganese ore in India. See, Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore also and Odisha is the largest processor and producer of manganese ore also. In Odisha, Sundargarh, Kalahandi and Koraput district produce manganese ore. Maharashtra is also an important producer of manganese ore. In Maharashtra, Nagpur, Bhandara and Ratnagiri are the major producer of manganese ore. Madhya Pradesh is also an important place. In Madhya Pradesh, Bhalghat, Chhindwara, Jabalpur and Dewas district produce manganese ore. In Karnataka, Uttara Kannada, Shivamogga, Ballari, Chitradurga and Tumukuru district. These are the districts which produce manganese ore in Karnataka. Observe the map and note down in your notebook. The other minor producers of manganese in India are Telangana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Bihar. In these states also manganese ore is produced. India is the fifth largest producers of manganese in the world. We use it in different industries, and India exports its surplus manganese ore to Japan, the UK, the USA and Belgium. Children, what is this? This is a pile of aluminium sheets. This is aluminium ore. You know that the ore of aluminium is called as bauxite. The ore of aluminium is called as bauxite. Aluminium is the most important non-ferrous metal. Iron ore is a ferrous metal, but aluminium is non-ferrous metal. It is also called as wonder metal because it has a wide range of uses. It is used in manufacturing aeroplanes, automobiles, railways, ships, household appliances, electrical cables, and its foils are used as packing materials for paint industry, etc. And it is a good substitute for steel and copper. That's why it is called as wonder metal. In India, many states have bauxite deposits. Odisha, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. See, these are all the bauxite producing states. Odisha has largest reserves of bauxite in Odisha, Sundargarh, Kalahandi, Koraput and Sambalpur. These are the important bauxite producing district in Odisha. Bauxite is also produced in Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur, Durg, Surguja and Raigarh districts produce bauxite ore. In Maharashtra, bauxite is produced in Ratnagiri, Kollapura, Thana and Satara districts. Observe the map. In Jharkhand, bauxite is produced in Ranchi, Lohardaga and Palamau. In Gujarat, Jamnagar, Junagadh, Kheda and Bhavanagar produce bauxite. In Madhya Pradesh, Shahdol, Mandal and Bhalghat district produce bauxite ore. In Andhra Pradesh, Godavari and Visakhapatnam district. In Tamil Nadu, Salem and Nilagiri districts produce bauxite ore. In Karnataka, Uttara Kannada district, Belagavi district and Chikkamangaluru district produce bauxite. Children, let us study about mica. Mica is an important non-metallic mineral. Minerals are mainly classified into metallic mineral and non-metallic minerals. Mica is an important non-metallic mineral. Look at the picture, and it is very important. It is an important metal because it has specific characteristics. The important characteristics of mica is mica can be easily split into very thin transparent sheets. and it is heat resistant. So, mica sheets are used in electrical industry, telephone, aeroplanes, automobiles and wireless communications. Because of its specific characteristics, mica is used in these industries. Do you know this? Mica which is found in Nellore is light green in color and it is locally called as honey mica. Let us know about the reserves of mica. Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand and Bihar. These states have large reserves of mica. The reserves of mica are largely found in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of mica in India. In Andhra Pradesh, the districts of Nellore, Krishna, Visakhapatnam, Godavari and Anantapura produce mica. Observe the map and remember all the places. Rajasthan is the second largest producer of mica in India. In Rajasthan, Jaipur, Ajmer, Bhilwara and Udaipur districts produce mica. In Jharkhand, Hazaribagh, Dhanbad, Palmau, Ranchi and Singhbhum districts produce mica. In Bihar, Gaya, Munger and Bhagalpur district produce mica. In many states, there are small deposits of mica. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Odisha, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Chhattisgarh. These states have small deposits of mica. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. But recently, mica export has declined because synthetic mica is being produced in many countries. As synthetic mica is being produced in many countries, the mica export has declined. In today's class, you have learnt about important minerals of India, their production and distribution and their uses and the importance of minerals in the development of a country. Let us remember some important points. Fill in the blanks. The largest producer of iron ore in India is? Which is the largest producer of iron ore? Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore in India. The most important ferroalloy metal is? Which is the most important ferroalloy metal? Manganese is the most important ferroalloy metal. Which is the largest processor and producer of manganese ore in India? This is also Odisha. Aluminium ore is called as dash. Aluminium ore is called as bauxite. Which is the largest producer of mica in India? This is Andhra Pradesh. Children, write down these questions. These are very important questions. Read the textbook thoroughly and page number is given where the answers you can find. Write down these questions. Define the term mineral. What is mining? In which industries is mica used and why? Recently, mica export has declined in India. Why? Minerals contribute to the prosperity of a country. How? Write down all these questions and write the answers and show it to your teacher. Now write down this. You have to do this map work. Very important. Draw the outline maps. Separately you draw 4 outline maps and mark and name the iron ore, manganese ore, bauxite and mica producing places. Draw separate maps and locate and mention all the places. Thank you, children.